The All-Top Recovery Rope Kit is an essential tool for off-road enthusiasts, featuring a robust construction with double-braided nylon for exceptional strength. This kit includes two ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene soft shackles, which are not only safer but also stronger than traditional metal D-rings. With a length of 30 feet and a diameter of 1 inch, the high-visibility orange rope offers over 30% elasticity, making recoveries smoother and reducing the risk of vehicle damage. The impressive brake strength of 48,000 pounds and a working load limit of 16,000 pounds allow it to handle a wide range of vehicles, including semi-trucks. Designed with reinforced eye loops and wear-resistant protective sleeves, this rope ensures reliability and longevity, even in the most challenging conditions. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime customer support, the All-Top Recovery Rope Kit is a trustworthy choice for anyone needing reliable recovery gear.